definitely dogs here that I think are really super stressed more than the others. This guy is more stressed.
Oh, somebody likes happy talk.
Hey, Bubs.
Good boy. Good boy. Look at this little tail. Hello, good boy. Hello. Hi, good boy.
You can see shadows. He came right over where I was. He's cute though. Look at his man's back.
I know, that's disgusting.
Was he just fixed though?
I reckon he might have been just fixed.
Because that makes sense. Oh, good girl.
Girl.
Good girl. Don't eat that chicken now. Here you go, princess. Oh, that's good.
You got some big and fast on.
That's good girl. Yeah.
It was huge.
You sit?
In relation to the
Sit.
rest of his
Whoops.
body, I mean,
Okay.
it looked different than that. Yeah, I think they did neuter him.
Come on.
'Cause he's
Here,
got a large
Hurricane.
penis for a little dog.
Yeah. Oh god. Yeah. His ratio is a little off there.
My
Oh, look at him.
Boots has a tiny little penis. I think Boots was neutered young.
Thank you. This is a